Look, these are the casino dice that people play in Germany, in America, Barbooth, 7-Eleven, CeeLo. All are high precision dice with serial number, with or without logo, and so on. So basically, we can put system in any kind of dice you want. And I will show you, and we will practice right now on this big juice system. We will practice this kind of dice. These are the 16mm dice, means 5-inch dice with serial number for Barbooth. So we will take from this, yes, 2 dice, doesn't matter, or from here 2 dice. All are rigged, all are with system inside. This is the remote control, this is live area. So we will take these 2 dice and have a look, please, at the dots and the quality and everything. Let me focus. So the dice are normal, precision dice normal. And working the entire table, make focus. So all this table is a live area table, like people play in Germany, for example, or in America. Barbooth. A is 6-6, 6-5, 5-5, means winning. And B, it's 1-1, 2-2, 2-1, losing. Because 3-3 and 4-4, it's also winning and losing, but it's not so common. So let's test A. Let's see. A, we have, in this case, losing, 1-1. Okay, let me focus for you. And one more time, we will make A, the entire table, hitting the wall, because this is the most important part to be random. A, have a look. 2, 2, we will focus to see clear the results. Good. And now we will make B, it's winning in this case. We will make B, have a look, 6-6. Always it's coming with high precision, the results. Have a look, please. Let me focus to see very clear the results. Now, again, B, the entire table. So look from here, look the remote control, look the dice. B. Have a look. 5 and 5. We will take the dice one more time to make A means losing. Okay. So let's see. A means losing. Have a look. We have a 2 and 3. 3 means repeat the shot. 2, 3, one more time. Precision dice that people play in Israel, for example. A, and have a look. 2 and 1. So always it's coming the results, and now I will make it random. I will not press the remote control to see how the dice rolling. Look, 2, 4. One more time, random, and then I will explain to you about this big table. What is the advantage of this big table? Random. Look, 5, 4. Good. So this table, it's a very big table, large area table, like a tray, a big superfly tray that you can play with the juice inside any kind of game, because you have 0 negative area. All the negative area is outside. Here is no dice shaking, bullshit and so on. All these products we are making here in Bucharest, Romania, and we export in all countries. In Europe, for example, this kind of rig table can arrive in Germany, in Spain, in Albania, in Bulgaria, and so on. It can come very, very fast, in 1 day, 2 days. The system that you see here, it's like 80 centimeter wide, live area, by 2.10 m long. So have a look how big is this table. It's a very big table, and you can play any game you want. Barbooth, you can play 7-Eleven, or if you use it in America, you can play very easily CeeLo. So this is the best solution for you. That's all.